Did you know that there's an actual right way to sit and not so right way to sit? I'm going to show you how to sit today. This is going to help so much because when people sit incorrectly, it actually compresses the organs, it suppresses digestion, it definitely causes issues to the back, and this is something that's a simple fix. Because we sit so much, you might as well be sitting correctly. So the first thing you want to know is there is an actual anatomical body part that you should be sitting on, and it's not your tailbone. So if you are sitting like this in your car, at the table, at your desk, in a chair, wherever you sit, and you sit like this, maybe you're not touching your tailbone, but you are definitely compressing, and you're not on the anatomical part you need to be sitting on. If you've never heard of your sits bones, you're going to discover them today. So this is the before we've learned how to sit properly. How many people do you know sit like this? Sometimes if I am really not with it, I will sit like this. And you can tell I don't look very attractive. I don't feel very attractive. And I don't feel very good. I certainly don't feel energized. I don't feel like my digestion's doing well. I actually feel a little compression in here. And more so my back doesn't hurt so much from this. Actually, I do feel a little bit of pain back there, but more so it's my neck and shoulders that feel this. So I wouldn't correct my neck and shoulders to fix this. What I would do is this one thing. I'm gonna take the hands and move my flesh off my booty, so that I can actually feel my sits bones, because you have sits bones. They're two, one on each side, so that you can sit evenly on your sits bones. Now that's all I've done is just moved myself up onto my sits bones. I haven't changed anything else. And already you probably can see the difference. I'm not trying to sit up straight. I'm not trying to move my head differently, but everything else has changed. Because I'm now on the correct body part that you should be sitting on. And a lot of cars I see where they're bucket seats, and I don't know if that's because of the bucket babies that we put our babies in and they grow up in bucket seats, and so now this is where the spines are. That's dangerous. We need to re-establish the connection to the correct anatomical body parts to use our body correctly, and our bodies will definitely function better. All right, so I hope that helps. Move that flesh. It doesn't matter where you are. You know, you don't have to put your hands back there. If you're in your car by yourself, I would do it. And then if your seat of your car is rounded, I would get a lumbar support, and I'd put a pillow there, because you don't want to be finding the spine and curving into that round curve. You need the natural curve back and be up on your sits bones, and then you're naturally going to have your shoulders come back into position. Now, if you are really far forward because of chronic, and this is a chronic long-term thing, it may take some time for your body and your brain to acclimate to that. So allow for those adjustments to occur. I've got lots of other videos that you can see. My Yogilachi channel has lots of things on developing your core, getting your posture. So watch those. But this one thing, if you could just sit on your sits bones. Whenever you sit on your sits bones. So say to yourself, when I sit on my sit bones. That is going to save your body. Hope that helps. Comment below, let me know if it does, and let me know if there's something else you want me to make a video on. All right, peace and blessings.